Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you for joining me today. Happy Saturday. So for today's video, I have some project shares for Scrap Diva Designs for the design team. And mostly it's been Halloween, and I have shared a lot of these on Instagram, so you may have seen them already, but I thought I would do a quick video and share them. And all of the dies that are featured in the projects can be found here at scrapdivadesigns.com. And here's her information for Instagram and YouTube as well. So there's that, and I'll just go ahead and jump right in. So for this first little project I'm going to share, I use these dies here, which is the little candy corn die set, and also this word die that says spooky. So I use that. This one I have a sample of too. It says Happy Halloween, so there's that one. And I'll go ahead and share the Happy Halloween sample. I just cut it out to kind of show it. Really cute. So I'm getting ready to do a few more projects for Halloween. And then this one here is spooky, the spooky word die. So I did use this on my next project as well. And I made this cupcake bag topper. And I've had this die in my stash for a little while, had not used it, and I thought it would be really cute to use for Halloween. And I thought the little candy corn would be cute as little toppers for the cupcake, and I add a little spider web, and this little spider is from the mini jars from Target. And then I added some little silver glittery like sprinkles, and I just used a couple different paper collections, but I had actually made the candy corn first because I love this little color combo with the black, the holographic, and the pink. And here's that spooky word die. And then it is a shaker, so it's not very thick. I didn't use foam, but I did use like the page protector plastic and filled it with some sequins from my stash, and also some of the pastel sequins that I picked up this year at the 99-cent store. So here's my little cupcake bag topper. I think it turned out so cute, and I love the way the candy corn, you can just make it to match any color combinations that you're using. So there's that, and here's a couple more. And I love also, so I basically just chose my 3 colors that I wanted to use, and I ran them all through, you know, 3 times for all of the layers, and then 3 times for all of the bases, and you get a total of 9 at the end, so you get quite a few. And I'm getting ready to make some in some traditional Halloween colors too, so really fun with those. And then this next one, I just want to share another one of the sentiments or word dies that I cut out. It says Hey Boo, really cute, and I cut this one out in holographic paper. And that's this die here, the Hey Boo die. And then for my next project share, I used the little skull bag toppers, and they come in 2 sizes. Really cute. So here are the little skulls that I created, and I might be making some more. I just saw some, I believe, on Carol Herlock's channel, and she made some with little witch hats. Super cute. So for these, I just thought it would be fun to make like little couples. So the girls have little bows, and here's that little spider again from Target. And then for the boy, I wanted, you know, something to make it look like a little different. So I used a little mustache, and that's from another one of Erica's dies. It's from a Christmas die set, and I'll share where I picked that out. And it's perfect for the larger little bag topper. So here it is again. And for this one, I used some glittery, like holographic paper for the skulls, and then a DCW V paper collection I bought, I think last year. Halloween party, I think it is. And then here's another one of the little spiders. I think I need to go get more of those. They're just the perfect little size. And here's that cute little mustache. And then these are the mini ones. And for these, the mustache was a little too big, so I just left, I didn't really do much to this, the little boy's skull. And then for the girls, I added little flowers on both of these. So just really cute, I think. Love those. And here's the die set where I found the mustache right here. So this is a really cute set. I'm going to be putting this together soon for Christmas, but you can either have it be Santa's beard right here or an ornament, and you can make it into a shaker. I think it comes with 2 options for the mustache, like a little fuzzy mustache, or, you know, more just like combed one, I guess. I don't know. So really cute. So that's where I got the mustache from. And then I wanted to play around with the bells, the shaker bell die that she has in her store, and it comes in 2 sizes, the large and the small. And I thought it'd be cute to make it into some Halloween bells, and it's geared towards Christmas. It's the Christmas bell, but I think it turned out really cute and fun for Halloween too. So here's the baby one. And I just added some little charms to the top there, some little puffy stickers, and I did use foam to make the shakers. So there's this one, and that's using Fancy Pants paper collection, Happy Halloween. And then here's the larger one with little charms there, a little spider, and then a little shaker mix. These little ghosts are from a sticker pack that I picked up at Target this year. And then I just made my own little sentiment tags, just using a font, like a Halloween font on my computer, and printed those out. And then I cut them with the scalloped, stitched tags from Erica's shop too. So this one says, "Ring if you dare." I thought it was really cute for Halloween. And I did come up with a couple other ones. I only did 4. But so I also did "Ring for a Scare" and "Ring if you dare." So I thought those would be cute for Halloween. And let me see, I didn't pull out the bell shaker die, but that one's in her shop as well. And this next one, I did share it on Instagram. I think it turned out so cute. I just love it. So it's a little jack-o'-lantern girl, and she sells just the face in her shop, and it comes with a different bow than the one that I used, but I thought it went well with the circle memory decks card that she has in her shop. And I just used vellum and added some little shaker bits for the inside there. The little boo is from another die set that I have, and I used her double bow here and just cut out some spider webs from another die set that I have in my stash to layer under the bow, and another one of the little Target spiders. So I thought this one turned out so fun, super cute. So I was happy with this one. And for that one, this is the jack-o'-lantern girl face die that I used. And this bow, actually, I didn't use it on the memory decks card, but here it is cut out. And it fit perfectly on the little skull bag topper, so I used it there. And then this is the double bow die set that I used for this bow here. And I love the design of this bow. I've been using it quite a bit, so love that one. And for the base of the memory decks card, this is the die set here. Just a basic circle memory decks card die set that I've used a lot too. So it's a nice basic set to have. And then I just cut these out so you can see them, and I'm getting ready to use them on some other projects. But these are her Halloween like script word dies, and they come with quite a few, super cute, and I just left them all together and then cut them out. So I have them here. Let me see, maybe I could do it like this so you can see them a little bit better. And I haven't like weeded them out all the way, but they pop out super easy. But this one says October. Then you get the word that says Halloween. And you get Boo. And you get Spooky. So cute. So I can't wait to use these. And I cut them out in some like orange metallic paper. So I love the way they look. So this one says Scary. And the last two, this one says Pumpkin and Candy. So just fun word dies for all the Halloween crafting. So there's those. And I think that's all I have to share with you today. I will be putting a few more things together for Halloween and then moving on to Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed taking a look at these projects. And again, if you're interested in anything, this is where you can find all of these fun dies along with so many more. And if you would like a discount, I do have a discount code. It's Sophia, SOPHIA 10, and you can save 10% off your order of $10 or more. So here you go. And all right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for stopping by.